Kids, do you think he'll make it?
Hey Spider-Man, do you want to race? Yeah, let's do it.
Let's build the gas station. We're going to take this long yellow piece. We're going to put this red piece right here. The gas tank right here. And this blue piece right here. And the Spider-Man head on top. Spidey, let's get on your bike. Whee! Hi kids, it's Princess T. Today we're going to be unboxing Lego Duplo Marvel Spider-Man Web Bike Workshop.
Welcome to Ryan ToysReview
with Princess T. Alright, let's open it. This is what's inside the box. One package of Lego. 2 miscellaneous pieces, and the bike. Alright, let's take it out of the bag. Look, it's Spider-Man. Let's see what else is in here. Let's take the bike out. Kids, do you think he'll make it? Alright, let's get started. Take this red piece, attach it with this white piece, and then we'll take this blue piece, and then the gasoline, and then this yellow piece. Let's build the other side. We have this gray piece, this red piece, this yellow piece, and we're going to attach it with this big yellow Lego piece. And then we're going to put Spider-Man on top. All done. Let's put Spider-Man on his very cool bike. You can put him right here, like that. Or you can have him sitting down, like that, like he's riding the bike.
Hey Spider-Man, do you want to race? Yeah, let's do it.
Ready, set, go! The winner is Spider-Man! Spider-Man, I got a surprise for you!
What is it? What is it? I'm so excited!
It's an egg surprise!
Yay! Let's open it. I'm so excited. It's Minion blind bag.
Let's open it, kids. It's Stuart.
You want to go for a ride, Stuart?
Yes, I do.
Hop on. Let's pump some gas, kids.
Alright, let's build his tool set. We're going to take this red piece, attach 2 yellow pieces to it, and put the Spider-Man head on top. That's his toolbox.
Has anybody seen my wrench? Maybe it's in here. Yay, it's my wrench. Let's go fix my bike.
Alright, let's build a lift so we can help Spidey fix his bike up. We're going to take these 2 yellow pieces and attach it with this bigger, longer yellow piece. And then we're going to put his bike on top. Spidey's going to get his wrench and get underneath to fix up his bike. We're also going to attach the engine. Spidey, let's get on your bike. Whee! If you want more Lego videos, please subscribe. Bye kids, see you later, bye! We have McQueen. Kids, let's help Mater open it. It's Thomas and Friends mini blind bag. Whee! Hi kids, it's Princess T. Today we're going to be unboxing Lego Duplo Disney Pixar Cars toy set.